This tutorial is about the scoring cutting tool SCT. You will get some general information, learn how to prepare the cutter and initialize for scoring and through cutting. Finally, we will start the job in the Zund Cut Center. The scoring cutting tool is a tool to cut through and score a wide range of materials up to 5 mm thickness. Zund recommends the SCT particularly for processing cardboard and coating blankets. Flat stock blades are used for processing. For scoring, the blade is retracted pneumatically. The score depth must be set manually on the SCT. To cut through the processing material, the blade is moved out automatically. We are now inserting the blade. Insert the blade up to the cutting edge in the blade holder. Fix the blade in place in the blade holder using 2 Allen screws. Now we can insert the blade holder into the SCT. Activate the stop and move the blade holder into the tool guide. Press the blade holder into the guide and turn the height adjustment. Carefully attach the slipper. We are now ready to insert the SCT. In the cutter menu, select 151 Change Tool. Insert the SCT into the tool guide. Align the red mark on the tool with the red mark on the module. Press the module lock and latch the bayonet catch. Connect the SCT to the P4 compressed air supply. Confirm with OK and follow the instructions on the cutter operating unit. In the Tool Manager, select or create the SCT. We want to through cut and score in one job. For that, we first initialize for through cut with the yaw key. Press 11122 and follow the instructions on the cutter. Put the yaw key on the cutter and confirm with OK. The initialization for through cut is finished. We are now initializing for scoring as well. Use 11127 relative initialization to start the initialization process for scoring. When the relative initialization function is started, the cutter will automatically switch from position mode to pressure mode. Set the contact pressure in the Zund Cut Center. Loosen the fastening screw. Lift the blade using the height adjustment until it no longer protrudes over the slipper. Use Next to acknowledge the message on the operating unit. Use the height adjustment to set the cutting depth. Tight the fastening screw. Finally, we can start a job with the Zund Cut Center. The file is open in the Zund Cut Center. The first processing step is defined with the method score, the scoring tool and the blade Z16. Also, the contact pressure is defined. The next processing step is defined with the method through cut, the scoring tool and, of course, the same blade Z16. All settings are done, the cutter is prepared, so we can now start the job. First, the cutter is scoring. The blade is moved out automatically for through cutting. And here you can see the result. You want to learn more? Go to www.youtube.com/Zundtube.